Okay, so you want to use your phone with ntrack, right? This is ntrack. This is your keyboard. So first thing to do, make sure you go to function on your keyboard and get to local, turn it off. Yeah, then connect your phone to your keyboard. The cable, yeah. So I've connected it. It's going to ask me for some question. I'll click OK. After it asks me, I'll say use ntrack driver. Okay, it's going to ask me for another question. All right, so let's watch out for that. So audio output, I'm going to pick digital keyboard. So I'll click OK. So now people have been asking me, how do you pick external sound? So this is it. It's very simple. Click this plus, click instrument. Now instead of picking this internal sound, scroll on this my sound, scroll all the way to add sound. There's what we call add sound, add custom sound font. Can you see it? Can you see this? So click on it, then click import a sound font. So that's where you now go and look for the sound you have. So now I have Motif XF Galaxies, for instance. So I'm going to click it so it will load it. So once you load it, you can see that's the sound. So you can see it. So you can see that. So I have a lot of other sounds, but they are not on this phone. They are on my other Android phone. So you can see that. So and you can load other sound by coming to close here. You can close this one here. Click this. This screen is giving me issue. So you can load plus and then load other sound also. So you can see the local is off. So you have the bass here because I turn off the split here. So you can see split is turned off, local is off. Right, you can see that. So if you had any other question, let me know. And then if you need the external sounds, just message me. They don't come with any of the app, so you have to get them separately. All right. So see you. Thank you. Bye. Johnson Kiss here.